Welcome back to another Cape Coral Fort Myers online tour. Today we are here in the Southwest Cape Coral, and I'm going to show you this nice home here. It has 2,052 square feet on the living, 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage. It's 1993, and it's also a freshwater canal home with a pool. So let's take a look at it. This is the street. Nice palms, just like Florida. And nice high palms. Okay, it's in a quiet street. Well, you come in the driveway here. We have the double car garage entrance. We got a double glass door entrance. Okay. We're moving right along, and right here is the entrance. If you're interested to know the price, just click on the link below, and it will take you to the full report, and it will tell you more about the home, and it also, will give you the price. The reason why I don't put the price on the video is because if they change the price, then it becomes a problem. So just go on the click below, and it'll tell you how much the house is they're asking for. Okay. So we're inside the living room. As you can see, it has a very big living room, very spacious. On the right side over here, you have a dining room. Okay. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna go into the 2 bedrooms. It's a split home, so you got the 2 bedrooms on one side, and you got the master room on the other side. One of the things, since I'm here, let me note on that you have skylights, so you have natural light coming in. You got 2 skylights in the living room and the kitchen area. I'll get there later. And you have this beautiful glass sliding door. Those glass sliding doors, when you open them, they go behind the wall, so you don't get to see them. This one, that one over there doesn't do it, but this one completely hides behind the wall. So it makes it look like a big room. Like in the winter, when people, when it's not hot, they open those doors up, and it makes like the lanai be part of the house. So it makes it look very big and wide. So on the top here, you can see that it has a glass window on the top too. So the house shows to be very bright and very high ceilings. So let's continue looking. Let's say we're going to walk here to the left, where you have the bathroom. We'll come back to that later. And here's one of the bedrooms. Okay, let me stand over here in the corner so you can get a feel for it. A pretty good size. You also have those plant shelves up there. Pretty cool. This house has plant shelves that move everywhere. So it's a nice touch for decoration. Okay, we keep going over here. And then we make a left here, and this is the bathroom. Okay. You can see the shower. It's all tiled. It has a little closet over here, a little towel closet behind here. And you can see also the granite countertops. All these granite countertops are new, and they put it all throughout the house. You have it on the other bathroom and the kitchen. Okay. Let's keep moving along. Over here, it's the 2nd bedroom. I know the color is a little bit bright. Some people call it Florida color. But don't go crazy with the color. There's always paint. You could change it if you don't like it. But one of the things about this room I want to show you is the plant shelves on the top. Check it out, how cool. It's very nice. Okay. And another thing nice about this room is that you got a view. You get the view of the canal and the pool. It's just one step away. You open that door and you're in the pool. So that's pretty cool. All right, let me stand over here to get a better look at it. Okay. see a canal and the pool outside. And this is another of those pocket doors. This door goes completely inside the wall, so this door would not be even here during winter when you open it up. Okay, let me stand over here so you can see the closet. And get a pretty nice big sized room, so it's pretty nice. Okay, remember this house is 2,052 square feet under there, so it's a pretty good size. Okay, we're coming out again, back of the living room and dining room. Over there you can see the two sliding doors. There, I don't know what the space you could use it for, but you put a desk. I mean, you could do whatever you want. There's plenty of space here. I mean, this is the setup they have, but I guess you could set up any furniture anywhere you want, but you got a lot of space. Okay, now over here, we're moving towards the kitchen. Let me give you an angle from this side of the living room so you can see how spacious it is. And another plant, another plant shell up there. See how spacious this house is? That's nice. And look at the skylight. Okay, we'll keep moving here. Okay, over here we come up to the kitchen. You can see the granite is the same color as the bathroom that I showed you before. And it's brand new. Okay, so over here we got the kitchen. The nice thing about this kitchen is that it's connected with the dining room over here. So you can just walk over here and you have the dining room there so you can serve there. And also you have the view to the pool from your sink and the canal. So that's very nice. If you have kids, you can maybe keep an eye on them from here. Okay, has a lot of cabinet space. And you have those lights from above. Gives it a pretty cool view here. At night you could just turn off the top lights and it'll look real cool. Okay, over here we have the pantry. Pretty good size. Okay. So now we're gonna continue the tour towards the laundry room here. That's an indoor laundry room with a sink. It's pretty cool. Has cabinets on the top. And out that door, you have the garage. I think it's full of stuff, so I don't want to show you just stuff, so I'm not gonna go there. And I'm gonna come up over here and show you the master bedroom. So you can see the master bedroom is a pretty big size. I'm sorry about the lighting. It might be a little bit dark. Okay, over here, so we come in. Thing is, the curtain is closed. If I open it up, the glare will hit the camera and it will look even worse. So over here, this is the master. That door over there is the closet. It's a humongous closet. It's full of also stuff in there, so I don't want to go in there and open it up. But it's a big closet. Believe me, it's a big closet. Okay, now you got another plant shelf up there. See, this house has plant shelves almost everywhere. So if you like to put decorations, it's really cool. Okay, so let me move over here so you can see the room from another angle. See, you got a slider, and you got the spacious room. Also very high ceilings, and from the bed you can see the pool. That's cool. And this window here, if you look through this window, it has tinted window, but if you look out, you see the canal. So it's nice. Okay, now we're going to the master bathroom. As you can see, they put the granite, new sinks, and same granite that they put on the kitchen. You have a tub, and over here on the back, I like that the glass, those glass blocks there. They look pretty cool. And over here, you have the shower. See, it's all tile like the other one. And you got those glass blocks there. Pretty cool. Okay, and you also have that door that leads to the outside. in case they're using the pool when you want to come inside from the pool. You're going right through there, so it's pretty cool. It has a tint so the sun doesn't come in here. So you can see the view of the canal. Okay, so now let's take a look outside so you can check out the pool and the canal. Okay, let's go outside. If you're thinking about buying a property in Cape Coral, Fort Myers, Southwest Florida area, feel free to contact us with any questions you might have. We have been doing real estate for over 20 years here in the Cape and Fort Myers, so feel free to contact us, okay? And if you would like to see more videos like this, please hit that subscribe button on the right corner, bottom corner. You will continue, when you look at your YouTube channels, my videos will come out and you can select from them. I have a lot of area videos and neighborhood videos from Cape Coral, so that way you can actually visualize what's around in Cape Coral. So I got videos from the Northwest showing homes and showing also the streets and the homes from outside. And if you like that particular area, you just click on the link below that you have on the tour that you're looking at, and you'll get prices of all the homes available for sale in that area that I'm doing the drive-through tour, you could say. Okay, so subscribe and you get all that, and you also get Fort Myers Beach or communities videos. I mean, I've been doing this already for 3 months and I have over 60 videos already, so feel free to go visit the site and check it out. Okay, so subscribe please, that helps a lot for me to do these tours. Okay, we over here at the lanai. It's a pretty big size lanai. Okay, and I'm gonna stand over here in the corner so you can see it. See the size of it, it's humongous. Very nice and big. You see the pocket doors I was talking to you about? Those doors, they go right behind that wall that is there. So the pocket in there, and the other one goes in that corner over there, so it pockets in there. So that way there's no doors. So when it's already, let's say November, December, January, February, you just, if it's not hot outside, you open those doors up and your house becomes humongous. Okay, now let's take a look at the pool. It's a pretty nice sized pool. So you do have solar panels up there. Let me show you. And this is where most of the people that move to Florida live. Like not in the summer month. They use it in the summer month, but the best time it's like when October comes along. You could be out here and enjoy the pool and enjoy everything and not sweat. Sorry. But you get really 3 months of hot, and then after that, it still gets hot a little bit, but not like in the summer. So it's nice, it's comfortable. Let me go around the pool so you have a view. Over here, it looks like it's 6 or 6.5 feet deep. Hey, it's kind of deep right there. Okay, let me stand over here. See, it's a pretty nice pool. And look at the size of the lanai there. You have all that area there for you do parties or just want to hang outside. You can put a TV out here and just relax. Okay, remember, if you want to know the price of the property and more information on this property, go on the link below, click on it, and this thing will come right up and I'll give you all the information, the full report, okay? Now I'm gonna go outside to show you the canal. Oh, by the way, up here, you see the bathroom door has also a pocket. And that's another good idea because you don't have a screen. Or you could put like a screen door on it and then you could leave it open. Over here, you have a shower. To spray yourself before you go in the pool. Let me show you over here the pool equipment. Here's the full equipment. And the side of the house, the AC, sprinkler system box. And over there is where they put the trash cans. Okay? Let's go out here to the canal view. Check out how nice and peaceful this is. For what I hear, this canal hooks up to two humongous lakes, Lake Abraham Lake and Lake Kennedy. So for kayaking and boating, actually you see over there, that guy has a pretty big boat. So for kayaking it's great. I mean, it's really nice. I go kayaking all the time on the freshwater canal. There's also fishing, a lot of fishing. So let me show you over here the little dock. Check out the dock, it's really cool. Imagine on a nice November day sitting out here with a fishing pole, just relaxing, enjoying the nature here. Actually, look, I see a fish, big fish. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. Let me go aim down. Pretty nice, decent fish I just saw. Yeah, it's gone. All right. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. If you're interested in this home, please hit that click link below. Get the information, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. We'll be glad to fill you in on any questions you have. Okay? And subscribe to our channel. Check it out. Go and check what we have to offer and see all the different videos we have for you guys. We have I have a pretty good variety of different areas in the Cape. I got a couple ones from Fort Myers, and I'm doing 3 videos a week, and they come out on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you subscribe, if you hit the bell, it'll let you a reminder. If you don't want to be reminded, just subscribe, and whenever you go to YouTube, you might see it on your page. So you know, if you're thinking about buying a property in Southwest Florida, I think subscribing will be a good thing. Okay, so I'm not gonna take any more of your time. I hope you enjoy the video. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. If you have any suggestions for new videos, feel free to contact me, you know, in the comments below. And if you have any, you know, real estate questions you need to get answered, feel free to call us. We answer our phone very promptly, and we welcome you, to call us, okay? So from Cape Coral, Florida, Southwest area, and we'll say goodbye until the next video. Well, actually that bird's saying goodbye too. Bye-bye.